Achieving wellness is often a matter of making smart choices. Here's something that can make a difference to your health.
Every time we get into a vehicle and take to the road, we're at risk. Catastrophic automobile accidents can happen in an instant. Each day in the United States, over 800 people suffer a traumatic brain injury as a result of an auto accident, and another 25 sustain spinal cord injuries. These injuries are life-changing, requiring specialized medical equipment, care, and services, all of which are extremely costly, and in every state, except Michigan, often lead to bankruptcy.
Sadly, the coverage levels for catastrophic injuries in other states are next to nothing. For instance, in no-fault states, the highest, other than Michigan, might be New Jersey with $250,000 in medical coverage, but that's an option. In most other states, it's $10,000 or less, in contrast to Michigan's lifetime medical care.
According to a Harvard Medical School study, unpaid medical bills are the leading cause of bankruptcy in the U.S. Nearly 80% of the people who file bankruptcy for this reason have health insurance at the time of their injury.
The Michigan Auto No-Fault Law provides a lifetime benefit for people who have been injured in car accidents. This differs greatly from what happens in other states when people are limited by either a number of visits or a dollar amount on their care. In Michigan, also, there are a number of benefits that aren't covered at all in any other system, including in-home nursing care, case management, and emergency transportation.
Michigan's system of no-fault automobile insurance has been serving their state successfully for over 40 years.
On average, Michigan drivers spend $150 per car per year to provide themselves with lifetime care if they're catastrophically injured. In recent years, the national average is $900 nationally per year per car. Michigan's national average or annual average in recent years has been $1,100. Michigan has the greatest value in America for the lifetime care, recovery, and rehabilitation of catastrophic auto accidents.
Founded in 1990, HealthPartners is one of Michigan's leading providers of rehabilitation home care programs for catastrophic injuries. The company cares for hundreds of patients 24/7 across the state.
The goal of HealthPartners Home Care is to be certain that the clients have the greatest opportunity to maximize their outcomes for full independence despite injuries they've sustained. The staff that they have work carefully to help people maximize their psychological and social outcomes. They have excellent training and screening of their staff. They do a fabulous job being certain that they have staff that are certified to take care of individuals with traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, orthopedic diagnoses, and central nervous system diagnoses.
HealthPartners also employs family members who participate as caregivers and provides them with training, support, resources, and compensation.
A number of years ago, my son got in a car accident. He actually suffered TBI, which is traumatic brain injury. I do have to tell you that if you have to have one of those or one happens to you, Michigan is the place you want that to happen because of the no-fault law. But also, HealthPartners has made it so we could help Sean with his recovery. And I hate to say fast track because it's not that way, but it really did help us to have somebody to work with and help us and point us in the right direction because we weren't all knowing. We weren't specialists in that, but the HealthPartners group is. And so I'd like to thank them and thank Michigan for Sean's recovery, and it's been a pleasure working with them.
HealthPartners has provided care for the most complicated patients, allowing people to go from the hospital to home rather than a nursing home. They've allowed someone to be there in the home with a ventilator, taken them off the ventilator to allow them to then go on a vacation with their family, live a life, improve on their quality of life, improve on their function in their life, and still be taken care of. The most complicated spinal cord brain injury combination, HealthPartners has done the most for.
Catastrophic automobile accidents are an unfortunate reality and can lead to a lifetime of costly care for injured victims. Through Michigan's model of no-fault automobile insurance and innovative home health care providers like HealthPartners, injured victims can get the comprehensive care they need without the risk of bankruptcy.